Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Eharmony account. So first of all, what you have to do is open a browser and go to the Eharmony website, which is eharmony.com, and log into your Eharmony account. And as you can see, I'm already logged in and it's saying your profile is currently not visible. I recently changed my profile to not visible, and if you want to do that, I have a separate video showing how to hide your Eharmony profile. You can check that out. I'll put the link in the description. And to delete your Eharmony account, you have to tap on the three horizontal lines which is on the top left corner of the screen. Now tap on Data and Settings. Now on this page, scroll down and you'll see an option, Profile Visibility, and on that section on the bottom side you'll see to delete your profile permanently, please click here. So the text here is highlighted in green. That means it's a link that you can click on. So you have to click on that link. Now it's saying, do you really want to delete your profile? So if you want to, enter the password of your Eharmony account here and tap on Delete Profile, and your Eharmony profile will be deleted successfully. So this is all for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for other helpful updates.